Namaskar friends, keep learning with Export Import Make in India campaign. Will not be silenced by the terrorism. Shashi Tharoor as his delegation heads to US. So Congress MP Shashi Tharoor led all party parliament delegation as a part of Operation Sindoor outreach left on the Friday night to 5 countries. Okay, so this parliament delegation with all parties, this delegation has left on the Friday nights to reach the 5 countries, okay, to bring the global attention against the terrorism. Okay, so the countries like United States, Panama, Guyana, Brazil and Colombia. Okay, so this delegation cover US, Panama, Guyana, Brazil and Colombia. Okay, and the Shashi Tharoor calls for the global attention against the differences. Okay, they bring attentions regarding the Pakistan's activities. Okay, how Pakistan is helping to terrorism. So Mr. Shashi Tharoor will bring the attention toward the global regarding this terrorist activity by the Pakistan. Okay, so his mission for hope, peace around the countries. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, who is leading this parliament delegation as a part of Operation Sindoor outreach. Okay, so these countries will cover. Okay, and they departed from the Delhi in early hours of the Saturday, saying that India will not be silenced by the terrorism. We need to speak up for our country, for our response, and give to the world a message that we will not be silenced by the terrorism. Okay, so this is the message of the Shashi Tharoor when he leaving from the India for these great delegations for the US countries. Okay, so guys, next we will also inform you regarding the what how this delegation is covered this uh, terrorism activities. Okay, so we'll cover in the session. So guys, thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.